Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you recently visited Instagram and noticed the Reels option is missing from the app dashboard? In this video, I will show you how to resolve this issue on your iPhone. Let's go. The first thing to check is that your Instagram app doesn't have any outdated features. Updating your app allows you to keep track of new features and regular fixes. To do so, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Then tap the Update button if it's available on your end. If that doesn't work, then you can try reinstalling the app instead. Open Settings, navigate to General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Look for Instagram from the list of apps and click Delete App. Afterwards, reinstall Instagram from the App Store. Either way, this should allow you to get the latest version of the application without the recurring bugs or the older version. However, if the Reels button remains unavailable on your end, you can report the issue to Instagram support as a last resort. To send your feedback, go to your Instagram profile. Tap on the three-line menu and select Settings. Choose Help and proceed to Report a Problem. You can also include the complete logs and diagnostics from your device to help the support team better debug the issue. Let's skip this for now. Then, briefly but concisely explain your concern about the Reels option not visible on your device. Once done, hit the Send button to submit your feedback. Afterwards, simply wait for the response from the support team. To check the status of your request, you can monitor it from the Help page. Go to Support Requests and proceed to Reports. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.